Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 54, Atoms and Molecules. In this worksheet, we will discuss about atomic mass of an atom. Gyan, we know that atoms are very minute particles. Do they have any mass or not? If they have mass, then how do we express and write them? ज्ञान क्या पूछ रहे हैं? ज्ञान पूछ रहे हैं कि if the atoms are very tiny particles, then do they have mass, or if they have mass, then how do we express and write them? Scientist John Dalton had said that each element possesses a unique atomic mass. हर एलिमेंट का अपना यूनिक एटॉमिक मास होता है. He calculated the relative atomic mass in accordance with the law of definite proportion. Atomic mass is now measured in atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit क्या होती है बच्चों? Atomic mass is measured in atomic mass unit, which is denoted by letter U. 1 U is the mass equivalent to 1/12 of the mass of carbon atom. 1 U कितना होता है? 1 U is equal to the 1/12 of the mass of carbon atom. See, if a watermelon is like a carbon atom and its 12 slices are like its 12 U. अगर वाटरमेलन के आप 12 स्लाइस बनाते हैं इक्वल स्लाइस, तो एक स्लाइस जो है दैट विल बी 1 U. Atomic mass, if I take one such slice, it resembles atomic mass of hydrogen. हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक मास कितना होता है? 1 U. So if we take one slice out of 12, it will like a atomic mass of hydrogen. And if we take 16 such slices, it will be equal to the mass of oxygen, which is 16 U. Jigyasa Didi, you have told that most of the atoms are very reactive and are not able to exist independently in nature. Then how do they exist? So children, atoms are very reactive in nature. They can't exist in free state. Mostly atoms do not exist in free state. Atoms reacts and form molecules and ions. So how do they exist? They react each other and form molecules and ions. These molecules or ions aggregate in large numbers to form the matter. Matter कैसे बनता है? जब large number of molecules are unite together. Then we can see, feel or touch these matter. Now, how atom can exist in the atmosphere, in the surrounding? Atom makes molecule or ion. What do you mean by molecule? When same atoms chemically react and form molecule, that is the molecules of element. Like when two oxygen atom unite together, they form one molecule of oxygen. Oxygen is an element. Atoms of different elements join together in definite proportion to form the molecules of a compound. When two or more than two atoms combine together or combined chemically in a definite proportion, it forms the molecule of a compound. Like in water, one atom, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen chemically combined, and it forms a one molecule of water. Formula is H2O. Ions क्या होते हैं? What do you mean by ions? The charged particles are known as ions. An ion is a charged particle and can be negatively or positively charged. Means there are two types of ion, negative ion or positive ion. For example, in NaCl. NaCl is a compound in which two atoms are chemically combined, sodium and chlorine. Sodium has positive ion, has positive charge, and chlorine has negative charge. Now check yourself. Question number 1. Is atomic mass same for all elements or it is different for different atoms? So atomic mass is different for different atoms. They have unique atomic mass. Answer 1 is most of the atoms are very reactive. Answer 1 is atomic mass is not same for all elements. Each element possesses a unique atomic mass. It is measured in the atomic mass unit, which is denoted by U. 1 U means a mass equivalent to the 1/12 of the mass of carbon atom. So different atoms have different atomic masses. Answer 2. Question 2 is what is atomic mass unit? Explain with example. Atomic mass unit क्या होती है बच्चों? Atomic mass unit is the measuring unit for atomic mass. Atomic mass unit is measured in atomic mass unit denoted by U. Atomic mass को measure करने के लिए हम जिस unit को use करते हैं that is called U or atomic mass unit. 1 U is the mass equivalent to the 1/12 of the mass of carbon atom. You can give the example. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 U, atomic mass of oxygen is 16 U, and atomic mass of carbon is 12 U. So different elements or atoms of elements have different atomic mass. Question number 3. How do atoms exist in nature? Explain with example. Atoms are very reactive, so they can't exist in free state in the nature. Most of the atoms are very reactive. They do not exist in free state, so they react and form molecule and ions. क्या बना लेते हैं वो? Molecule and ions by reacting themselves. Example, same atoms chemically reacts and form molecule of elements. Example, when two atom of oxygen combine together, they form one molecule of oxygen. Similarly, atoms of different elements join together in definite proportion, they form the molecule of compounds. Like two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen, when chemically combined in a definite proportion, it forms one molecule of water. Question number 4. In question number 4, you have to ask which type of charge are present on ions. Give one example. So there are two types of charges. The charged particles are called ions. Ions can be negative or positive. So example is given to you, NaCl. NaCl is a compound in which two atoms are combined in a definite proportion, sodium and chlorine. Sodium consists of or sodium contain positive charge while the chlorine has negative ion or negative charge. Thanks for watching.